Today, we will be discussing the Superflanker, a 4++ generation fighter aircraft, and an upgraded version of the Su-27. The Su-35 has a flight range of 3,600 kilometers without external fuel tanks, something no other fighter aircraft in the world currently offers. It is powered by two Saturn AL-41 engines, each producing 176 kilonewtons of thrust, enabling it to reach speeds of over 2,778 kilometers per hour. The aircraft is equipped with thrust vectoring nozzles for extreme maneuverability. This aircraft comes with many advanced features. In a Su-35 formation, the leader can control other Su-35s directly from his cockpit and even monitor their fuel and ammunition status. The Superflanker is also equipped with an electronic countermeasure system that can deceive the enemy by displaying false errors in their HUD, such as fake system failures. The aircraft is fitted with a PESA radar with a range of 400 kilometers. The Urbis E radar can track 30 targets and engage up to 8 simultaneously. It can also generate an electronic map of the terrain and provide real-time visuals to the pilot, a feature available in all weather conditions. The Su-35 is armed with a 30mm internal autocannon with 150 rounds, as well as R-37M beyond visual range missiles with a range of 400 kilometers. Some critics doubt the maneuvering capability of the R-37M, but Russian missiles have consistently proven their reliability. The aircraft is also equipped with R-27T by infrared homing missiles and anti-radiation missiles designed to destroy enemy radar systems at long range. A total of 151 Su-35s have been produced as of 2024.